Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hello mga kaistorya! Welcome back to At Home with Mardy. Behind every road, bridge and flood control project are people whose stories we rarely hear. Today, we're talking about one of them. Former Department of Public Works and Highways Undersecretary Maria Catalina Cathy Cabral spent decades in public service, rising through the ranks, breaking barriers, and leaving a mark on Philippine infrastructure. But who was Yusek Cathy Cabral beyond the headlines? In this video, we're setting aside rumors and focusing on facts. I'll share 7 real and verified facts about her career, achievements, and public service based on credible records and reports. So, if you're curious about the person behind the position, stay with me until the end. Let's begin! If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Here are 7 real verified facts about former Department of Public Works and Highways Undersecretary Maria Catalina Cathy Cabral. Number 1, full name and role. Maria Catalina E. Cabral, mas kilala bilang Cathy Cabral, ay nagsilbing Undersecretary for Planning and Public-Private Partnership ng Department of Public Works and Highways. Sa kanyang posisyon, malaki ang naging papel niya sa paghubog ng direksyon ng national infrastructure ng bansa. Mula sa long-term planning at project programming hanggang sa pagbuo at pagpapatupad ng malalaking infrastructure projects sa pamamagitan ng public-private partnerships. Number 2, Cathy Cabral's historic achievement. Sa isang ahensyang matagal nang pinangungunahan ng kalakihan, gumawa ng kasaysayan si Cabral nang siya ang maging kauna-unahang babaeng rank-and-file employee ng Department of Public Works and Highways na umangat sa posisyon ng Undersecretary. Isang milestone na hindi lang personal na tagumpay, kundi isang malaking hakbang din para sa mga kababaihan ng public works at infrastructure sector ng bansa. Number 3, Cathy Cabral's long public service career. Mahigit 4 na dekada niyang inialay ang kanyang buhay sa Department of Public Works and Highways. Unti-unting hinubog ang kanyang karera sa mahabang taon ng public service bago tuluyang umangat at maitalaga bilang Undersecretary sa huling yugto ng kanyang professional na paglalakbay. Number 4, Cathy Cabral's educational background. A licensed civil engineer by training, Cabral also possessed an impressive academic background. Nakapagtapos siya ng 2 doctorate degrees, isa sa business management at isa sa public administration, at nagpatuloy pa sa advanced studies sa mga larangan tulad ng data analytics, digital transformation at artificial intelligence sa pamamagitan ng executive programs mula sa mga institusyong gaya ng Wharton at Harvard Kennedy School. Number 5, professional leadership rules. Beyond her years in government service, Cabral continued to break barriers in the professional field. She made history as the first woman to serve as president of the Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers, and later went on to lead the industry as national president of the Road Engineering Association of the Philippines, further cementing her legacy in the country's engineering sector. Number 6, Cathy Cabral's controversies and resignation. Noong September of 2025, nagbitiw si Cabral sa kanyang posisyon sa Department of Public Works and Highways, kasunod ng paglitaw ng mga investigasyon at aligasyong may kaugnayan sa budget insertions at umano'y mga irregularidad sa mga multi-billion peso flood control projects. Tinanggap ng pamunuan ng DPWH ang kanyang pagbibitiw kahit wala pang naihahaing formal na kaso laban sa kanya nung panahong yun. And number 7, Cathy Cabral's death and ongoing investigation. Noong December 2025, natagpuan siyang patay matapos ang umano'y pagkahulog malapit sa Cannon Road. Kalaunan ay iniklara siyang deceased dahilan upang agad na magsagawa ng mga formal na investigasyon ang mga otoridad. Pinangunahan ito ng lokal na pulisya, katuwang ang National Bureau of Investigation upang matukoy ang mga pangyayari at kalagayan sa likod ng kanyang pagkamatay. And those are the 7 real and verified facts about former DPWH Undersecretary Maria Catalina Cathy Cabral, a public servant whose career spanned decades, marked by historic firsts, professional achievements, and controversies that continue to raise important questions. Her story reminds us that behind every headline is a complex human journey, one that invites reflection, scrutiny, and conversation. What are your thoughts on her legacy, and which of these facts stood out to you the most? Share your insights in the comments below, and let's keep the discussion respectful and informed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next deep dive into real stories that matter. And shout out to all my amazing viewers. Thank you so much for your comments and support. Reading your messages truly inspires me to create even more interesting videos. Your feedback really means a lot, and I'm so grateful to have you as part of my journey. Daghang salamat! Thank you very much for watching. And according to Anne Frank, The Diary of a Young Girl, where there's hope, there's life. It fills us with fresh courage and make us strong again.